Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to access your Quest 2's data folder. First, you will need to activate developer mode. This is a simple process that begins by registering as a developer on the Meta Quest website. Then, use the Meta Quest mobile application on your phone to easily toggle on the developer mode setting for your headset. This foundational step is essential for gaining deeper access to your device's file system. Once developer mode is active, the next step is to physically connect your Quest 2 to your computer. Use a high-quality USB-C cable, ideally the one that came with your headset, ensuring it supports data transfer. After connecting, put on your headset. You will see a prompt asking to allow USB debugging or allow access to data. Be sure to accept this to proceed. With your Quest 2 connected and access allowed, turn your attention to your computer. Open File Explorer, which is typically found by searching in the Start menu. On the left-hand side, under this PC, you should see your Quest 2 listed as a connected device. Simply double-click on it to open its internal storage, just like you would with any external drive. Inside your Quest 2's internal storage, you will find several folders. To reach the specific data folder, navigate to the Android folder, and then open the data subfolder. This is where many applications store their unique data files. From here, you have the ability to copy, move, or delete files as needed, giving you full control over your Quest 2's application data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.